we're on the Rovco stand with Joe Tidball, Commercial Manager for Rovco. Quite young in the market, but you're already making a great footprint. Do you want to tell us a bit about the journey to get here?
Yeah, so we started the company just over 3 years ago now, saw a gap in the market to start using newer technologies that weren't being used previously. So started off with 3D modeling, post-processed, developed that into Subsea X2, which is our live 3D modeling tool. We're also able to position vehicles using that same tool, live stream the point clouds back to shore. So that's a key development for us. Alongside that, we have Ocean Insight, which is our data delivery platform. It allows us to deliver machine learning data to our clients more effectively for pipeline inspection, jacket inspection, any sort of inspection really. And that's key for us moving forward as we become a technology supplier in the oil and gas market, getting better data to clients more quickly.
So in a sense, you're taking yesterday's smart technology and making it smarter.
Yes, exactly. So it's been a little road to develop Subsea and Ocean Insight, which is the delivery platform. There's key features being put in there all the time, such as more dense reconstructions, improving the accuracy of the system, improving the data quality that's coming through over the live data. So yes, it's an interesting journey.
So I gather that you're one of the co-founders of the company, and I gather that you have an interesting story to tell about how the company came into being.
Yeah, so we could see that there wasn't really any growth in the technology being used in the subsea industry. We could see that 3D photogrammetry and modelling was key to start giving people a better level of data. So 3 years ago, we started with post-process photogrammetry to deliver a higher quality product to the client. And from that, then developing the ability to do it live so we can track the progress so that we know we've got enough data before we leave the site. But also once you start being able to do 3D point clouds instead of video, you're able to then live stream that because the data rate is much smaller. So no longer do you necessarily need people offshore to be doing the inspections. You can have your inspector onshore. So projects can be quicker, they can be cheaper, you can save vessel days, and ultimately the data quality is higher and deliver more quickly.
Any number of wins in there for operators and client companies to take advantage of. So I know you've been making some changes to the technology and you've added some enhancements to those existing cameras. Do you want to tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, so there's more compute power now. That means that we can do more with the data that we're collecting. So we can make the point clouds more dense, therefore giving more detail. So clients are better able to see any potential issues. The live streaming is key. That means that we can get data back to shore, not having to have the people on the boats. And Ocean Insight being a data delivery platform that's easy to use for people that aren't necessarily used to using, say, CAD or GIS software. It's very user-friendly. It allows you to see the machine learning data happening in real time. So it just makes it much easier for people to manage their projects whilst they're being undertaken.
Wow, I can't see any issues with that at all. So what do you think? Obviously, continuous development has been a big part of your strategy. What more can we expect from you in 2020?
So the next move is into vessel localization and control. So the Subsea system, as it's doing the 3D reconstructions, is also positioning the vehicle in the scene. So you can use that data to begin controlling the vehicle using the camera. So our ultimate aim is to make the full inspection process autonomous, and part of that is being able to control the vehicle using the Subsea system. So that's the next step.
Wow, ambition. Well, I am really looking forward to see how that plays out for you. Thanks so much for your time today. I hope that the rest of the show goes well for you, and I look to catching up in the future.
Thank you.